Okay, so we have finally launched the unique certificates of Forever Star India for four interesting shows that we're coming up with: Forever Miss India, Mrs. India, and of course Superheroes and Super Women of the Year award. So now I would like to hear it from the director herself, Miss Kirti Chaudhary, that why do you call it a community and not a beauty pageant?
सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन हैरी, क्योंकि यही इस प्लेटफॉर्म की सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात है. Forever Star India is not just a beauty pageant, but we are creating a huge community of like-minded professionals. And the most important part is that here only verified professionals can come, right? So we are taking the KYC details from each and every person who's becoming a part of this platform, and that automatically ensures that there is no scope for any kind of nuisance that can happen here with the participants. So that's why I call it a community. And secondly, the another important thing that we're taking care of is that there are certain beauty standards, certain conventions that the beauty pageants have created in the minds of young girls and women across the country. So we want to break that chain of conventional standards of age, beauty, height, or for that matter, say a girl should be of a certain size, she should be of a certain color, she should be thin if she wants to be a part of a beauty pageant, or if she wants to be successful. So we want to break that chain through this community.
That's extremely wonderful, and automatically it justifies the why you call it unique and everything. But moving forward, something very very exciting has come up, that the crowning is finally happening in December. But what makes the crowning unique is something that we really want to know.
Right, so this crowning is going to happen in the end of December. And why is it unique from the other beauty pageants? Because we are going to do it as a beauty pageant and as a fashion week. And for this fashion week, we will have 150 plus fashion designers from across the country, one designer from every city, and all the designer dresses are going to be adorned by only the winners, city
Okay.
winners and state winners.
Okay. Okay, so I guess that would be it from your side. Thank you so much for clarifying all of it.